All right, time now, 8:08. It's time to make a trip down to Lake Placid. The Caladium Festival is happening this week.
And even if you don't have a green thumb, there's something for everybody there to enjoy. What you need to know about the festival coming up next. Okay, so it's Monday, but around here we're always planning for the weekend, and we sure have something to talk about that's going on this coming weekend. It's the Caladium Festival. It's going to be going on in Lake Placid. We got Danielle Dahm with us this morning. Good to see you. Thanks for driving in, because I know it's a bit of a drive.
It was an early morning.
I know. All right, caladiums. In case people don't know what a caladium is, that's a caladium.
Yes, it is.
That's a caladium. This is a caladium. Two different kinds of caladiums.
Yes.
You were telling me.
Two different types. The fancy leaved, which get taller with bigger leaves.
Yeah.
And the lance leaved, which are shorter, more frilly.
They're beautiful. Happiness Farms is where it is. And I love the fact, and I didn't know this until you and I started talking, it's a family business.
It is. It was started by my grandfather and then his two sons and both wives and grandchildren.
Yeah. And in case people don't know, Lake Placid is the caladium capital of the world.
It sure is.
Wow.
It sure is.
So this event, which for obvious reasons did not happen last year, is happening again this year. And tell us what it is. What's it all about?
So it's a weekend where we celebrate caladiums, bringing people in to visit our beautiful community. We have bus tours where people can go on a bus tour where they have a grower. One of us will get on the tour bus and talk to them about caladiums and answer many questions, share with them about our community and the farming life around there. We watch a video about the caladium industry, so they get a lot of good information. They go out to the fields where they can see the fields, the caladiums growing in the fields, and then we take them to a community where we have planted caladiums in a lot of the yards, and they can see how they're used in landscaping and get some good ideas.
So what if you want to come and you're not into caladiums? I know you don't want to hear that, but you got other things going on.
We do. There is entertainment. There's lots of great food vendors, arts and crafts. There is a car show on Saturday. Okay. So you could come to see the car show, or if you have cars that you would like to enter, you can bring your car in and register that morning and participate in the car show.
I was telling you before we started, I remember that my parents in Paris, Texas, grew caladiums. They grew them from the bulb.
Correct.
Yeah, but at the show you're going to have them already grown a little bit, or also in the bulb as well, right?
Yes, there will be bags of bulbs that you can purchase. It'll be a flat fee for anybody who's selling them. It'll all be $10 a bag. Some growers will have different quantities in those $10 bags, and there'll be a great selection, I'm sure, of varieties to choose from. And then there will be 6-inch pots for sale. I was told that these are going to be $5 for a pot like that.
Okay.
And so people can go away with things that they can plant, and if you plant them, they're going to come up right away. This time of year is the time to plant them for them to come up right away. They're summer bulbs, so they're ready to grow with the hot, humid temperatures that we're having right now.
And you said something to me which now explains why my parents grew so many of them every year. They're easy to grow.
They are super easy to grow.
Yeah.
Yep. Our saying is easy summer color.
Nah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. All right, tell everybody, the Caladium Festival this weekend, the 30th annual in Lake Placid, and I know it may be a drive, but it's a good weekend to take a drive, go, and have a big time. It's in Highlands County.
And the website for the festival is caladiumfestival.org. You can go there.
We'll tell you everything you need to know.
You can go there to register for bus tours, which I highly recommend you do in advance.
Okay, good. All right. Going to have a great weekend. Thanks for coming and talking about it.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Appreciate you having us.
As always.